Hello, first grade. I hope everyone's having a great day so far. All right, we have another deep dive today, and we're going to learn about words that are called prepositions. So I'm going to show you some pictures and tell you a little bit about what I see in the picture. And then I want you to see if you can figure out what prepositions tell us. What is the job of a preposition? And I'll tell you what the prepositions are too. And why don't we just, before we do that, try saying that word? You've been learning all these fancy grown-up words like demonstratives and determiners, and now today, prepositions. So you want to say that with me? Prepositions. Excellent. All right, so when I look at this picture, I see a soccer ball, I see a cardboard box, and I see that the soccer ball is by the cardboard box. And you might see this word up here, by. Soccer ball is by the box. By is an example of a preposition. Okay, so let me show you some more examples and see if you can figure out what prepositions are. Here we have a soccer ball on the table, and on over here is the preposition in the sentence. The soccer ball is on the table. Have you figured it out yet? All right, let's try a few more. This one, we see the soccer ball is under the bed, under the bed. And the word under is the preposition. What do you think? You got some ideas? Let's take a look at a couple more. Here we see the soccer ball in the box. And the preposition is the word in the box. What do you think? Take a look at a couple more. How about this one? The soccer ball is on the bed. The word on is the preposition in this sentence. What do you think? Have you figured out what prepositions might be? Yeah, if you were thinking that all of those words, on, by, under, in, they were all words that told us more about where the soccer ball was located, where it was, right? It was either on the bed or under the table or in the box. And that's what prepositions do. They tell us more about a noun, and oftentimes they tell about the location of a noun, okay? Just like we saw in these examples. So let's look at this chart. So prepositions, words that tell more about nouns, such as their location, just like we saw, right? If I said, my iPad is on my head, right? That on is a preposition that is telling us more about the iPad that is on my head. So here are some other examples of prepositions. And you probably use a lot of these words all the time, and you maybe just didn't know what they were called, but now you know that these are examples of prepositions. In, to, by, with, near, around, on, under, over, up, or beneath. So those are all examples that can help tell us about the location of a noun, okay? All right, so to practice for today and practice using a preposition, here's what we are going to do. So let me show you the seesaw. Okay, so on your seesaw activity student response page, you'll see a little note at the top that says post your picture here, and then it will say write your sentence here. But here is my example. So I had one of the math workbooks and I set it on the counter. And what I'd like you to do is try to find something, nearby that you could take a picture of and show it either being on or under or by something else, and then write a sentence to tell about the picture that you took, just like I did. So, if you have, marker nearby and you want to take a picture of it on the table, or if you have a stuffed animal that you want to put under your couch, or whatever picture, maybe not under your couch, that'd be a little heavy to lift up, but under a table or under your desk, just something that's handy and nearby that you could take a picture of, and then write a sentence to tell more about your picture. And you want to make sure to use one of those examples of the prepositions that we talked about. And then as your last step, we'd like you to highlight the preposition that you used in your sentence. Okay? So we can't wait to see your pictures and where your nouns are located and see your sentences that are describing them. So let us know if you have any questions or if you need anything, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.